Hey everyone, this is Randy from BibleBuyingGuide.com. I just received a box from 316 Publishing. If I'm not mistaken, this is a giant print LSB, but I don't know which one, and I don't know what cover, and I don't know if there's anything else in the box. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and I'm standing away from that. I'm not drawing it toward me. Well, sort of. Let's see what we got here. Quick unboxing just to see what we've got. That's interesting. Bible armor. Ooh, that is cool. Let me see what this is. I've heard of this. I saw some postings about this on their Facebook page. Bible armor. So what do we have here? And there's a few things in there. Okay, hang on. Legacy Standard Giant Print Reference, 95,000 references, 14,000 footnotes. And this is in burgundy goatskin. Ooh, I hit the jackpot on this one. Yeah, they didn't tell me they were sending the goatskin edition. And oh wow. Oh, that is sweet. Oh, it's thumb indexed. I didn't know they made a thumb index in goatskin. I don't think I've seen one in goatskin. Oh, look at that green. Oh, that's thick. That is thick. I like that. I love it when they give a little gold line around. And I especially like it when it's some sort of pattern. So it's edge lined. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that is nice. That's readable. I love that red line between all the red highlights. Large, bold verse numbers. You can find that. Oh yeah, that's usable right there. Let me see where this is made. So I will be reviewing all of these independently, separately. Let's see. There's the information. Printed in Korea. Typesetting by 2K Denmark. No surprise there. 2K Denmark they're awesome. They're the standard. They're the gold standard. Oh yeah, this is nice. Let's see if it's a black letter. I'm sure it's black letter. Let's get over here to the New Testament. Oh yeah. Black letter. So double column paragraph with references in the footer. Let's see what else we got. Concordance and maps. There's the concordance. There are the maps. Just the standard maps for the LSBs from Lockman Foundation. Oh, that is pretty. So 3 ribbons. Might as well go ahead and get the other ribbon. So we have black, burgundy, and gold. That looks good. That looks good. I love the look of that one. That looks good. Let's see what else we have here. Got a few other things. Resolved to finish this journal in its entirety. A couple of journals. Oh, that's neat. And what else we got? Handbook for praying scripture. Oh, that's interesting. That's always interesting. Okay, I like that. I like that. That is nice. Let's see. All right, let's open this up. See what we got here. If I can figure out how to open things. I'm not sure I can figure out how to open things. It's all complicated. So, Bible goes in there. Ooh, that's padded. It's padded with a felt sort of material. That's thick, too. That's not a thin pad. That is thick. Ooh, candy. Kidding. Don't eat that. Let's see. Oh, there's a zipper. I thought there was something under there. So, what do we got? A little pull tab. Another little pocket. You know, that would hold my tablet, and that would hold my Bible. I bet that Bible will fit right in there. Let's see if it does. Oh, smooth. Oh, yeah. Oh, that works great. All right, I got my tablet right here. Let's see if I can fit my tablet in there. Now, I've not tried this. Of course, I don't know if it's going to fit or not. And I might even need to take it off of take it out of its case. Let's see. Just trying this out. I don't know. Now that might not fit. It feels like it should though. I might not have it zipped all the way. No, it's just too big for this tablet. The tablet's just too big for this. For this, but that's okay. That's all right. I don't need that. It has its own case anyway. But I tell you what will fit: these journals and that book right there, Handbook for Praying Scripture. That will all fit in there. I bet you that will all fit in there. There we go. Oh yeah, that's excellent. Let me get this box out of the way. So there we go. We have Bible Armor. And then we have a couple of journals. And we have a book on praying scripture. And then we have the Legacy Standard Bible giant print reference in burgundy goatskin. So my thanks to 316 Publishing for sending these for an honest review. And I will work with these for a little while and be back for the honest review. So stay tuned. Thanks.